In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tax rates in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to save a clean, reliable tax rate you can use on invoices and bills. This is especially helpful if your business operates in a region where you need a custom VAT, GST, or sales tax rate that isn't got included by default in Xero. Make sure you have the right user permissions in Xero to access tax settings before we begin. Start by opening the tax area in Xero. This lives in your financial settings, and it's where all tax configuration is managed. Once you're there, head into tax settings. Think of this page as your control room for how Xero calculates and displays tax across your organization. Next, choose manual tax rates. Xero includes some built-in rates for certain regions, but manual tax rates is where you add your own. This is ideal when your jurisdiction has a non-standard percentage, a special reduced rate, or you simply want a clearly labeled rate for a specific use case. Now, select New Tax Rate. You're creating a fresh entry that will appear as an option whenever you raise sales invoices or enter bills. You'll see a field for the tax rate display name. Use a clear descriptive name so your team instantly understands when to apply it. For example, you might include the tax type, percentage, and whether it's generally used for sales or purchases. Keep it short but specific and stick to a consistent naming convention so your list stays tidy over time. Enter the rate as a percentage. If your tax is 10%, type 10. If it's 7.5, type 7.5. Double check the number against your local tax authority's guidance and confirm whether the rate is current. Accuracy matters here because Xero will use this percentage to calculate tax on every transaction where you select this rate. When you're confident the display name and percentage are correct, click Save. Xero will add the new tax rate to your manual tax rate list. From here, you'll be able to select it on invoices, credit notes, and bills, and you can return to this page later to edit or archive it if regulations change. To wrap up, you've navigated to Tax, opened Tax Settings, chosen Manual Tax Rates, created a new tax rate, provided a clear display name, entered the correct percentage, and saved your changes. That's all you need to set up a precise, easy-to-use tax rate in Xero.